skies are ruled by machines built for war.
Silent, deadly, and unstoppable, these helicopters dominate the battlefield like no other. Each one engineered for speed, firepower, and precision, designed to strike fear into any enemy. From rapid missile strikes to heavy machine gun fire, these helicopters combine technology with lethal force. Used in conflicts around the globe, these helicopters have rewritten the rules of aerial combat. Pilots rely on precision instruments and advanced targeting systems to dominate the skies. Every mission is a test of skill, strategy, and sheer firepower. Equipped for day and night operations, these helicopters strike with deadly accuracy anytime, anywhere. Evasion, speed, and firepower, these choppers are engineered to survive even the deadliest threats. Today, we take you inside these deadly machines, exploring their power, design, and battlefield supremacy.
Skies are ruled by machines built for war.
Silent, deadly, and unstoppable, these helicopters dominate the battlefield like no other. Each one engineered for speed, firepower, and precision, designed to strike fear into any enemy. The AH-1Z Viper is equipped for night operations, striking with precision even in complete darkness. Its guided missile systems allow it to take out armored vehicles from a safe distance. The Viper's targeting system tracks multiple enemies simultaneously, giving pilots complete control. With unmatched maneuverability, it can dodge incoming fire while maintaining offensive power.
The 20mm cannon delivers rapid-fire damage, making it lethal at close range. Often deployed in formations, the Viper can support other helicopters and troops during missions. It can also provide support for ground operations, carrying troops into hostile zones.
The AH-1Z Viper proves why it's one of the deadliest helicopters in the world.
Its advanced avionics and targeting systems make it a nightmare for enemy forces.
Equipped with air-to-ground rockets, the Tiger delivers precision strikes with deadly efficiency.
The cockpit allows the pilot and co-pilot to operate complex weapon systems with ease.
Its agility and maneuverability allow it to evade enemy fire in dense environments.
With infrared and laser targeting, it can hit enemies even in low visibility conditions. Its guided missiles can take out tanks, armored vehicles, and fortified positions.
Speed is another advantage, allowing the Tiger to strike quickly and retreat safely. Designed for day and night operations, the Tiger never misses its mark. Often deployed in squads, the Tiger coordinates attacks with other aircraft and ground forces. Its combination of rockets, missiles, and cannons makes it versatile in every combat scenario. The Eurocopter Tiger proves why it's one of the deadliest helicopters in the world. Stealthy, fast, and lethal. Designed for close air support, it combines speed, armor, and deadly firepower.
Its guided anti-tank missiles can destroy armored vehicles from long distances.
Advanced targeting systems allow simultaneous engagement of multiple threats.
It often operates in teams, providing unmatched support to ground troops.
Capable of night missions, the Havoc strikes with precision even in complete darkness.
With a combination of rockets and missiles, the Havoc can engage multiple targets at once. Engineered for speed, armor, and firepower, it dominates any combat zone.
Versatility is key, allowing the Havoc to carry rockets, missiles, and cannon ammo simultaneously. The Mi-28 Havoc proves why it's one of the deadliest helicopters in the world. Fast, powerful, and unstoppable. At number 2, we have the legendary AH-64 Apache, an icon of U.S. military air power. Equipped with advanced avionics, the Apache allows precise targeting in the heat of battle. Armed with Hellfire missiles, it can destroy tanks and enemy fortifications from long range.
Its 30mm chain gun delivers rapid-fire damage, making it lethal at close range. With low-altitude flight capabilities, it can avoid enemy radar and strike unexpectedly.
The targeting system allows pilots to engage multiple targets with deadly precision.
Agility and speed let it dodge enemy fire while maintaining offensive pressure.
Equipped for night missions, the Apache never misses its mark, even in total darkness.
It often operates in squads, providing coordinated firepower and air support. Rockets and missiles allow the Apache to engage heavily fortified targets efficiently. Its versatility in weaponry makes it one of the deadliest helicopters on the planet.
The AH-64 Apache proves why it's a true icon of aerial combat. Fast, precise, and lethal. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mi-24 Hind, Russia's legendary flying tank. Designed for both firepower and troop transport, it's a versatile weapon on the battlefield.
Its rockets can destroy tanks, vehicles, and fortified positions with deadly accuracy.
Armed with a 30mm cannon, the Hind can unleash rapid-fire destruction in close combat. Capable of day and night missions, it strikes with precision, anytime, anywhere. With unmatched maneuverability, it can evade attacks while staying lethal.
Its targeting system allows pilots to engage multiple threats simultaneously.
Often deployed in groups, it provides unmatched air support to ground troops. It can carry troops directly into the battlefield, combining transport and attack capabilities.
With rockets, missiles, and cannons, the Hind can attack targets from any range.
Its combination of speed, armor, and firepower makes it the deadliest helicopter in the world.
The Mi-24 Hind stands as a true icon of aerial combat. Powerful,